Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Ushabala. So today I gonna show you this messy bun hairstyle. So let's get start into the video. So first of all, comb your hair thoroughly that there are no tangles. Comb your hair like backwards like so and take the hair into like high ponytail. Now take a rubber band and secure that ponytail very highly. I take my hair into crown area like so. Okay, this much of height we need for this hairstyle like so. Okay. Okay, now the ponytail divided into two equal parts like so. Now twist the each one part individually like so. Okay, now take the two parts into one side like so and cross them each other. This is the rope braid hairstyle. Okay, now take the rubber band and secure at the end like so and pull out the strands like so. It gives messy look of your braid. Okay, now braid was completed. Now rotate the braid like bun. Now tuck the ends like so and secure the bun with the U-pins like so. Okay, these are the U-pins. Only two U-pins we needed. So one is left side and one is right side like so. Now frame on your face like so and add some more flex from your ears. It gives very beautiful look on your face. Okay, now pull out the side hair like so, left and right only. Don't pull out front side because we do not make puff. Okay, now curl on these strands like so. So now I don't want to flex right now. So I hide these flex for this way and tuck the ends with the help of the U-pin. So this is my messy bun hairstyle today's video. I hope you are all like this video. Please give a like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon. Never miss another update video. Please take care and bye.